In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Salesforce automations to your Slack workspace. We'll walk through this step by step, right from inside Slack, so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll have the Salesforce Automations app installed in your workspace and connected to your Salesforce org, ready for your team to start using. First, open Slack and go to the main channel where your team usually collaborates. In the example you're seeing, this is a general company-wide channel, but you can open any channel you like. The important thing is that you're in the Slack desktop or web app so you can access the channel sidebar. Once you're in the channel, look at the right side of the screen for the Apps section. If you don't see it immediately, try expanding the channel details or scrolling slightly. When you see Apps, click on it. This area is where Slack lets you manage and discover applications that can be added to your workspace. Next, you'll see an option to add new apps. Go ahead and click on Add Apps. This will open the Slack app directory for your workspace, either in a new panel or in your browser, depending on how your Slack is set up. From here, we're going to search specifically for the Salesforce Automations app. In the search bar that appears, start typing the word highlight as shown in the guide. This search brings up a set of related apps in the directory. Among the results, look for Salesforce Automations, Legacy. When you see it in the list, click on it to open the app's details page. On the Salesforce Automations page, you'll see a button labeled Add to Slack. Click on Add to Slack to begin the installation process for your workspace. At this point, Slack will show you a permissions screen outlining what the app can do in your workspace, such as reading channel information and posting messages. Review the permissions, and when you're ready to proceed, click on Allow. This authorizes Salesforce Automations to work within your Slack workspace with the listed capabilities. After you allow access in Slack, you'll be prompted to connect Slack to your Salesforce org. Look for the option that says Connect your Slack workspace to your Salesforce org and click on it. This will take you to Salesforce, where you may need to log in and complete any remaining authorization steps. Once that's done, your Slack workspace and Salesforce org are officially connected, and you can start using Salesforce automations directly within Slack.